I'm spraying it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something. I'm going to be trying out something which I saw on YouTube. I think I saw on Sarah Kiola's page, and I saw on, I've seen Tinola do this, but I'm not so sure. But I've seen a few YouTubers do this, which is shaving your face. So I'm going to try doing that for the first time, and you guys are going to see how I go about it. So yeah, indifferent, I don't know how to feel, but I would like the hairs of my face gone, although I don't have so much hair, but we'll see, right? So if you're stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're watching me. If you're watching me, you should be subscribed to my channel because I have more content coming up, so please subscribe to my channel. So for this video, what we're going to be lips, essential oil. I'm going to be using coconut oil, but what I saw Sarah use was this Ezekiel 24 karat something, but I'm going to be using coconut oil blades. So I got this pack of blades in my local beauty supply store, and I got it for about 300 naira or something. I think it's about 300 naira for a pack of 3. So this is what the blade looks like. This is what the blade looks like. It's the red, the protective face. So the first thing, I'm going to be wiping my face just so we have a clear canvas and a clean base.
Coochie eye puppy.
So I'm taking my coconut oil and I'm just going to put that just like so, just a little bit. So I think this is more like for grease, or just so the blade glides on smoothly. So let's see. I don't think I have so much hair on my face, but I guess we'll find out. My razor and going to shave, so I need a mirror for this. So yeah, let's do this, right? I don't want to have to comb my hair. So of course I'm not going to remove my sideburns, because I mean, why would you do that? You're gonna be looking bald. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Is it bald or bald? Wow. So I'm just going to take my wipes and take what I got off. I don't really have so much hair on my face. I'm actually not so hairy, so not so much is coming off, but definitely some of it is coming off. I don't know if you guys can see, but some of it is definitely coming off. So I'm going to repeat the same process all through and get back when I'm done with all of it. back done shaving my face, and I kind of like shave my brows. Not kind of, okay, I actually did shave my brows. So I shaved my brows, and I found using the scissors kind of easy shaving my brows. Like, it was so easy, because normally I don't shave my brows myself. I make sure I go to like my beautician who shaves my brows, but I was able to shave my brows and they don't look bad at all. So are you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay, but if you're thinking what I'm thinking, I think I'm going to be shaving my brows myself. Like, come on, it looks good. Okay, I don't have tail hair. I've never really had a tail hair, but look at this one. It doesn't look so bad. So I think from now on, I'm going to shave my brows myself with this razor, because it's the truth. About my face, I think my face feels kind of smoother. I think it's because of the oil, but then I'm going to blot out this oil away, because I'm filming a video after this and I don't want to be sweating all through the video. You understand what I mean? So I'm just going to blot that out. So I'm spraying what is it on me? So I'm spraying this so I'm spraying this rose gold spray from Ewaronke. It's rose extract and 24K real gold flakes. So you mean I'm spraying gold on my face? Wow, I'm a golden girl. Spraying this now. Okay guys, so that's it for my tutorial today, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this at home. It's easy procedure. It's a really easy stuff to do. The steps are really straightforward. So I hope you try this at home, and I hope you get it feels really smooth. I hope you try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.